Google made a video about Gemini, a 6-minute demo where someone talks to an AI, shows it pictures, and asks it to understand them and solve puzzles. It was really cool, like Iron Man's Jarvis, and seemed like Google's response to ChatGPT. But it turns out it's not real. Why would Google do this? How is Microsoft taking over Google's lead? We'll explore these questions in our video today. Google isn't doing well in the AI competition. Here's the full story. Earlier this year, Microsoft and Google each showed off their new AIs. Microsoft added ChatGPT to Bing, and it became really popular. For the first time, people were actually interested in using Bing, but Google's AI Bard was a failure. Google made a big mistake when they first showed Bard, which caused Google's value to drop by over $100 billion in just one day. We've always thought of Google as the main thing on the internet, but ChatGPT has changed how we use it. Satya Nadella, the boss of Microsoft, talked about 3 stages of internet use. The first stage is very basic, with slow computers and lots of wires. The second stage is about having the internet on our mobile devices, making us wire-free. The third stage is where the internet becomes like a friend or helper, and this is only possible with AI. Microsoft, having a big role in OpenAI, can use ChatGPT's technology in its products. Since Microsoft's Windows is used in 70% of the world's computers, they have a big influence in the computer and software market. However, people aren't usually interested in Microsoft's internet products. This year, Microsoft changed that. People got excited because Microsoft offered more than just search options like Google does. They introduced Chat and Create. With ChatGPT, we can get help with everyday things like math homework, reading summaries, or building websites. With DALL-E, we can create designs even without design skills. Microsoft showed a chart where they compared search engines on one axis and AI tools like ChatGPT on the other axis. Microsoft plans to connect its products to AI, making them more useful. Soon, they will add AI to all their software. This means you won't need to switch between different programs like Word and ChatGPT for tasks. For example, you'll be able to create text right in Word or get answers to math problems in Excel. You can also analyze data in Excel and make exciting PowerPoint presentations easily, even if you don't know much about design. This is a big issue for Google, as people no longer think of Google as the only option for internet use. Google used to be the main choice, but not anymore. Microsoft's solution to this is Gemini. Let's find out what Gemini is. The vision of Google. This story is about when Google wasn't fully prepared for the AI revolution during their event in February. However, it wasn't the end for Google. They recently introduced something even better than ChatGPT. It performed better in all tests and benchmarks, and you can see the details about it. This new thing called Gemini surpassed ChatGPT in every way. Google even claims that Gemini is smarter than any human expert and gives better answers. It was tested in 57 different areas like math, physics, history, and law. These tests checked both knowledge and problem-solving skills. Gemini turned out to be more accurate than human experts in these tests. According to these results, Gemini is superior to ChatGPT. It's because of something called multimodality. If you've heard about Gemini, you've probably heard this term a lot. So, what is multimodality? Think of it like our 5 senses. When you go to your favorite restaurant, it's not just the taste that matters. You notice the atmosphere, the way the food is presented, the music playing, the smell of the food, and of course, the taste. All these senses together create your experience. Google explains that models like ChatGPT process different inputs one after the other, like text, then images, then code. But Gemini works differently. It combines all kinds of inputs at the same time, just like humans do. This means it can understand and use text, code, audio, images, and video all together. Understanding Gemini's models. Google's Gemini comes in 3 versions: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. If you're using Google's Bard right now, you're actually accessing Gemini Pro. For tasks on our own devices, the smallest version, Gemini Nano, will be used. Next year, Gemini Ultra will be integrated into Bard. This all sounds exciting, right? But where's the problem? What's not real? First off, Google has said that the AI's responses in their demo weren't given through videos, but by uploading images and using text-based prompts. When they tried the same thing with ChatGPT, they found that ChatGPT could already do these tasks. So what's special about Gemini? The video made it seem like you can ask questions by showing the AI an object directly, but this version of AI isn't ready yet. Also, they made the AI's response time seem faster than it is by using editing tricks. We expect to see the actual capabilities of new AI products and demos, not just what they might be capable of in the future. We want to see the real thing, not just an imaginative concept. It's like when a new iPhone is launched. We get to see what it looks like now, not how it might look 5 years later. Moreover, on their website, Google has only compared Gemini with an older version of ChatGPT, not the latest GPT Turbo. This suggests that Google might be withholding some important information. By showing edited videos, they could be misleading people. Also, in their comparisons, they're using older versions of GPT, not the latest ones. This indicates how intense the AI competition is, showing that Google is really eager to maintain its leading position. While Google's Gemini is certainly impressive, what was shown in the video and what the actual product is might be quite different. The biggest letdown is that all the benchmarks shown on the website are for Gemini's top model, Ultra, which isn't available for us to test yet. This means we have to wait longer for our own version of Jarvis. It's important to remember that more competition in the AI world is actually good for us, the users. Competition is beneficial because it offers us more choices, encourages innovation, and generally improves things. Google's 7 AI principles. Google has set 7 key rules for all its AI products, ensuring they're integrated into each product. Be socially beneficial. AI should positively transform lives in areas like healthcare, security, energy, and transportation, aiming to improve society. Avoid creating and reinforcing bias. It's important to recognize and address different perspectives and avoid bias in problem solving. Be built and tested for safety. AI must be thoroughly tested for safety before being deployed. Be accountable to people. AI should remain under human control and not become harmful, like the fictional Terminator. Incorporate privacy design principles. Users should have control over how much information they share with AI. Uphold high standards of scientific excellence. AI should aid scientific research in fields like biology, chemistry, medicine, and environmental science. Be made available for uses that accord with these principles. AI should be designed for various applications, allowing people to choose how to use it responsibly. Google has made it clear that its AI will not be used for developing weapons or surveillance. These principles are crucial for every AI company to remember and adhere to. Today, AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini-powered Bard, and Elon Musk's Grok are making the internet more exciting and helpful. They're like our assistants, easing our tasks. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E are creating designs even for those who aren't designers. Screenshot to Code can build a website just from screenshots. Firefly's AI is there to summarize your Zoom meetings. Dectopus AI can whip up presentations in a single click. There are numerous tools like these that we're discovering and using in our video production workflow. If you're interested in learning about such tools, let us know in the comments. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports our channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more content like this. Sharing this video with friends and colleagues who might be interested in AI innovations is also a fantastic way to spread knowledge. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. Until next time.